Hi, it's your girl Kamisha. I just have to warn you that the following video contains uses of strong language, okay? So if you don't like that kind of language, then why the are you watching this video? No, seriously, don't watch the video if you don't like that kind of language, okay? Enjoy!
Hi, welcome to Shizzle's Ringtones, and get one of these bad boys at your local shop. If you want to download the Ringtones, the links are in the underbar. Here we go for the Ringtones. Oh, you, get me out your fucking pocket, I can't stand the smell. Ring, 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 are you fucking deaf? Is this a fucking vibrator or is this your phone? Ah, scared you. Pick up your phone. Have no fear, Shizzle's here. Now pick up. Pick up your phone. Pick up your fucking phone now, you silly Oh yeah, you've got a voicemail. The douchebag you are calling right now can't be asked to answer his fucking phone. Don't bother to leave a message, ever! Ooh, you have a text message, can I see? Ooh, you're sexting, can I join in? Oops, sorry, not a call, just me taking a dump. Remember, links in the underbar, bye!